Bakla po kami, oo, pero hindi kami mga abuser.
Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz, the two alleged independent contractors of GMA Network, who are now in hot water due to sexual abuse allegations, denied all allegations thrown against them in today's Senate panel hearing. They also face Nino Mulak, the father of alleged victim of abuse.
Hindi po kami gumawa ng kahit anong sexual harassment or abuse laban kay Sandro Mulak. Sa tinagal-tagal namin sa industriya, wala po kahit na isang reklamo, sexual man or anuman, ang nag-file sa amin.
Hindi naman po namin itinatangging bakla kami. Sa katunayan, ang pagiging bakla namin ang isa sa mga dahilan kaya kami naging creative, artistic at nagkaroon ng skills na kailangan sa industriya. Buong buhay namin, ginamit namin ang pagiging bakla namin sa maayos na paraan para maitaguyod ang aming mga pamilya.
Mulak maintained the two told apologize to him, which caused confusion on a number of senators.
They were crying and they apologized. Sabi nila, sorry talaga, sorry ninyo, ganun. Kasi akala namin okay lang.
What do you mean? Yeah, they were sorry for what? What did they do?
For what they did. When they said sorry, syempre naiintindihan ko yung kwento ng anak ko.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
We did not apologize po. Ang context po is, sorry pero wala po kaming ginawang masama sa anak nyo.
Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, ba't ka magsasorry?
They even offered to donate a certain amount to a charitable institution of my choice. Para lang masettle.
No po, Your Honor, kasi that would be very insulting po.
It was also tackled during the hearing that Nones allegedly texted Nino Mulak's son about their hotel room. But Nones denied this allegation.
Pag
Your
nirecover namin sa Globe yan o sa Smart yan, pakukulong kita rito. Now you better tell the truth.
Hindi po sa akin nanggaling, si kay Sandro po mismo nanggaling.
Remember, you're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron ba? If
I
you
am
can,
under oath,
if
Your
you can,
Honor.
Si Sandro daw yung una nag-text. Ang pinakita lang nila yung message ni Sandro na, Sir, pwede ba akong umakyat? Ay, pwede ba akong dumaan dyan? Sandre, di ba? Pero before that, lahat naman ng bagay, meron muna nangyari bago mangyari yung kumbaga, meron siya lang mga text bago yon. So sila talaga yung una nag-text. And I just proved it in court today. They lied.
Right now, Senator Estrada believes there is damning evidence against the two independent contractors. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.